Hello, my dear students. My today's topic is perimeter and area. All of you know that perimeter means the length of the boundary and area means the space covered by an object. So today we bring the exercise 11.1 from NCERT book, class 7th standard. So here first question will be, very easy, length and breadth of a rectangular land is given 500 and 300 meters. So this is the land which is in the shape of rectangle. 5 meter is the length and 300 meter is the breadth. We have to find the area of the land. So all of you know the area of a rectangle is L into B. Substitute the value in this formula. 500 into 300, this is 15, 12340 meter square. Okay. Now they asked to find the cost. If 1 meter square of the land costs 10,000 rupees, it is a costly land. So therefore the cost of, since cost of 1 meter square is 10,000 rupees, therefore cost of 15 meter square will be 150000 into 10,000. The answer is 15000000. So it's very costly. Don't worry. Now we will move to the next question, number 2. Find the area of a square park whose perimeter is given. Here perimeter is given 320 meter. It is a square park. You know that perimeter of a square is 4 into side. This is equal to 320. So we will find the side of the square, that is 320 upon 4, 80 meters. Now we will find area. Area of a square is side into side, or side square. 80 square is equal to 8 8 6400 meter square. You should know that the unit of area is meter square and unit of perimeter is meter. Now move to the next question, number 3. Find the breadth of a rectangle plot if its area is 440 meter square and length is 22 meter. We have to find perimeter also. So I will tell you one formula. B is equal to perimeter. First we will find the breadth, which is equal to area upon length. So 440 upon 22, this is 20 meter. Now we have to find perimeter. Perimeter is 2 into L plus B. So 2 into 22 plus 20, this is 2 into 40 to 84 meter is the perimeter. So this is the third question. Now we move to fourth one. Perimeter of a rectangular sheet is given 100 meter. Here perimeter is given 100 centimeter and length is 35 centimeter. We have to find the breadth. Breadth will be equal to P upon 2 minus L. So 100 upon 2 minus 35, that means 50 minus 35, 15 meter is the breadth. Now we have to find the area. Area will be equal to L into B, 35 into 15. Multiply them, you will get the area. Now question number 5. The area of the square is equal to the area of a rectangular park if the side of the square is 60 meter. So here side of the square is given 60 centimeters. So we can find the area of the park. Area of the square park will be 60 into 60, 3600 centimeter square. Okay. And here the length of the rectangular park is given 90 meters. So we can find the breadth. Breadth will be equal to area upon length. See, in the question it is given the area of the square is equal to the square rectangle. So this will be equal to 3600 upon 90. Divide by 10, 40 meter is the centimeter is the breadth. Now we have to find, this is the answer. Now we move to the next question, number 6. 6 is a wire is in the shape of a rectangle. Its length and breadth is 40 and 20. Length दी है 40 and breadth दी है 22. So we can find its perimeter. This is 2 into L plus B, 2 into 40 plus 22, that is 2 into 62, 124 meter. Now this is repaint into the shape of a square. This is centimeter. Perimeter will remain same. एक ही तार से we can make different shapes, circle, square, rectangle. So this perimeter will be equal to the perimeter of square, which is equal to 124 centimeter. Perimeter of the square, you know, 4 into side. So side will be equal to 124 upon 4, that is 31 centimeter. Now we have to find which figure has more area. So area of square will be 31 square, यानी कि 961 centimeter square, and area of rectangle will be 40 into 22, यानी 880. Now who will tell me which figure has more area? Of course it is square. Now the seventh question. The perimeter of a rectangle is given 130 centimeter. This is the perimeter of a rectangle, and breadth is 30 centimeter. Breadth is 30 centimeter. We have to find the length and then we have to find the area. Length will be equal to perimeter upon 2 minus b. 130 upon 2 minus 30. 65 minus 30, that is equal to 35. Now we can find the area. Area will be equal to 35 into 30. 1050 centimeter square. Last question of this exercise is, there is a wall and there is a door in the on the wall, and we have to find the area on which we have to do whitewash. तो बेटा डोर पे whitewash नहीं कराना है. This is 2 by 1 and this is 4.5 and 3.6 meter. No. So we will find the area of wall 4.5 into 3.6, and then we will find the area of door, which is 2 into 1. Solve them and then subtract. Whatever answer come, you have to find the cost. Cost is given 20 rupees per meter square. So जो answer आएगा, you have to multiply it by 20 rupees. Okay, so this is your first exercise. Subscribe my channel and like my videos. Thank you.